Of course. I first of all, good luck. And what we do isn't easy. It has moments of great sort of difficulty and hardship, but the rewards are so great. And people often ask me what's the most important quality a teacher should have. And I say, in the end, it's curiosity. Teachers have to be curious, always interested, always searching, always asking questions. And the more you do that, and the more you hear and the more you learn, the more exciting life is. And then you can pass that on to your students. Because we ask our students to be curious all the time. And if we're not, then that question is a bit wrong. So it's just being curious and just being interested in everything that happens.
Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you. Are your students silent? Tell me some times when your students are... It's all right, I think we're fine. When your students silent, when does silence happen in the classroom? Any other silences you can think of? When else are students silent? If they're listening to the teacher happily, then that's a good sign.
Yes. And even sometimes when they love the teacher, they just stare at it. They're happy.
That's a really interesting point. What she said is, when the students love the teacher, they just kind of stare in kind of,
surprise,
like that, which is lovely for the teacher. But the question I ask myself is, what is happening there? Now, what is happening is, love is a very good thing to have in a classroom. It's better than hate. But I'm not sure whether anything is really happening when that's happening, when they're just sort of looking at you kind of, like that. Well, not me, that, you know. Anything else you want to say about silence? Here's group 3's picture. And then here is group 4's picture. Well, you get the idea. And each group gets only one of these pictures, and when they've had the chance to look at it for a little bit, you take the pictures away. You're familiar with this activity, I think. And then you get a single student from group 1, a single student from group 2, a single student from group 3, a single student from group 4, a single student from group 5, and a single student from group 6 to make a new group of 6 students. And each one has seen a different picture. And you now say to them, I want you to share your pictures and make a story.